Earlier this month, city councilors officially proclaimed April as Autism Awareness Month following a presentation from the Child Development Center on the rising needs and costs of children accessing early diagnosis here in the North. A new study from Public Health Canada says 1 in 66 children across the country are born with autism, and locally, the CDC has seen an increase in the number of children diagnosed. Currently, the CDC has a wait list of 23 children to access their therapeutic services, and they say getting children diagnosed as early as possible is the key to treating the condition.
So as soon as you have those indicators that you're feeling uncomfortable as a parent, or, there's something that's just not quite right, seek out help right away. And then the sooner you do that, the sooner they can get on the list for the assessment, because that's where we're having a bit of an issue in our rural community, is that there's a significant wait time. It's about a year and a half right now.
An autism diagnosis needs to be done by a pediatrician, a speech-language pathologist, or a psychologist, and seeking that very important early professional diagnosis and treatment can cost families here in the Peace region between $2,000 and $4,000.
It's scary. The diagnosis is scary, and you're faced with social challenges, you're faced with financial challenges, and it's an overwhelming time for a lot of families. And I think the sooner that the process can start, the better it is for those families.
Mayor Lori Ackerman has sent a letter to the Minister of Health asking for more upfront funding to help those families, and the CDC is currently participating in a 3-year research program with the University of British Columbia called PACE, which stands for the Parent and Child Coaching Project.
Scientific facts prove that the earlier the diagnosis, the better outcome for the child, because you can start that ground-based work with that kiddo prior to them interacting and having to go to school and that kind of stuff. You can lay the foundation of speech, interaction, social skills, and all those other aspects that help you move on in life. And if you get that base earlier, the better. You have a better outcome.
The CDC has a support group that serves children with special needs. They meet once every month. For more information, you can visit their website, cdcfsj.ca. Brendan Miller, CJDC-TV News, Fort St. John.